Every time I drive past this thing, I say I'm gonna pull over next time to take a photo. Today's gonna be the day. Next time. Look at this thing. Beautiful Oldsmobile 442. I believe this is a 70, but could be a 71. Huh. It's a W30. Being convertible, it's probably fairly rare. It's like a silver interior with the white car. It's interesting. Different. Alright, so here we go. You've got the 240Z custom Datsun. If this thing had not had, if this wasn't the better of the two castings with the side view mirrors molded into the fenders, I swear I wouldn't have bought this set. I wanted it, partially, one of the big reasons I wanted it was because of this thing. I just chipped the paint on this, by the way, because I dropped it opening it up. I'll fix that with some nail polish. All kinds of crazy nail polishes for that reason. But I wanted this thing for... I used to own a first-gen Nissan Maxima, which is what this is. This is the wagon version. They were still branded as a Nissan Datsun. This is the Maxima 810 with the inline 6. The L24E fuel injected 2.4 liter inline 6. The Subaru is kind of cool too. You know, the BRZ is definitely neat. That was definitely tempting as well, but I still feel like these things are really overpriced. These dioramas have gotten ridiculous in recent years. Not sure which car looks the best on here. I almost think the Maxima has the most interesting color combo. But yeah, wish the fenders on this thing were all black with black wheels. It's a terrible look. I hate the black wheel flares. If the wheel flares were green or yellow to complement the rest of the car, I think that would be way better. That's just my stupid opinion. Looks kind of dumb, in my opinion. Yeah, overpriced. Pretty cool, but overpriced. That's my opinion on this. And again, I mentioned this before recently, but that dot matrix printer, that like really bad inkjet printer look on the graphics on these is unacceptable at this price point. You know, it really does make me want to stop buying these things. It's just, wow. Other high-end manufacturers at this kind of price give you definitely better quality of paint. Not to hate on Hot Wheels, but I mean, honestly. Alright, well there you go. Hopefully that helps you decide whether you want to buy this set or not. I certainly would not overpay for it. I got it at the store at Walmart prices. I would never in a million years overpay for this like some people do on a hard to find diecast. As cool as this is, it's definitely not worth overpaying for, in my humble opinion. Alright, hope everybody had a good weekend.